Bulavinaka Fiji, welcome back to The Revolution. If you're just joining us on this segment, then settle back for great local designer fashion from the 2018 Bottega Gold Fijian Fashion Festival. RL Designs by designer ROWIE LAL was not one of my favorite collections from the festival simply because there was nothing original in it. The bridal pieces did not fit the models well, and in the streetwear collection, it lacked innovation with styling and execution. I had high expectations for designer Aisea Konrote, but was disappointed that the designer forgot to put his signature touch to his collection. There was way too much sulus, and the towels did not complement any of the pieces at all.
El LCO ngame amea ine inkeka ngake ngane manea aharongi opome ala manea wepo ang masingani ngohe ahea usokia kafe ngame amea ine inkeka ngake ngane manea LLCO 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 Aisea Mavahili ala maka Fuseko hente maerue vaka vaka Nonoka opat nakatine ya masranga Maelango ya yo erue nefara Aharongi opome ala manea Wepo ang masingani ngohe ahea Usokia kafe ngame amea Ine inkeka ngake angane manea
And that wraps week 2 of our coverage as part of our Fashion Month of July special and our delayed coverage of the 2018 Bottega Gold Fijian Fashion Festival. I trust you enjoyed the show and join me again next week, Fiji, for week 3 and more great local designer collections, including my opinions. Remember, you can contact me if you have any questions about the show. You can email me on jejemon@fbc.com.fj, tweet me at the Andy Blake, or message me via our Facebook page, and I will get back to you soon. Don't forget, you can watch episodes of the show that we post on our Facebook page. Remember to like the page if you haven't and give our videos a big thumbs up. I shall see you again next week. Enjoy the rest of your night and Nisamo Demanda.